Hello, ladies. Good evening. I am jumping on briefly to talk about part 2 of the power of SEO, which is search engine optimization, part 2 about YouTube. And part 1 was about SEO and blogging. And one more time, I am going to go over what SEO is. SEO is the use of relevant keywords and phrases used to optimize your content for rankings and visibility for search engines. And the reason why SEO is key to a successful content marketing strategy is to optimize your content using keywords and phrases to be found by the proper audience, aka or target market audience in the search engine. So you want the people you are serving to find you. Okay? And so I'm gonna take a moment here. If you are jumping on, let me know who you are, and I'll shout you out. Give me some love and likes. Okay, and I am going to share my screen here on YouTube. Now, if you want the power of SEO worksheets after this training is completed, and when I complete the worksheets, because I am going to upload these videos to YouTube, and then I'm going to complete the worksheets and send them out to my list. So if you haven't already, sign up to my list. The link is in the description, and be on the lookout for one last view of these 2 videos on SEO training and the worksheets to go along with them, because I will be putting them in my vault. Okay, there will be a time that they will no longer be viewable. So if you want to view them one last time, if you haven't had a chance, get on my list so you can get the videos and the worksheets. Okay, so here I am on my YouTube channel. I'm in the admin area where you upload the videos and you upload your thumbnails, create your title and descriptions and all that. So on YouTube, when you're doing SEO, after you complete your video and it's already recorded and or you already uploaded, you want to create your description. So you want to give like a summary of what the video is about, as you see here in this box right here. And I said here, the summary of this video. This is part 1 about blogging. SEO, search engine optimization, is the use of relevant keywords and phrases used to optimize your content for rankings and visibility for the search engines. SEO is key to a successful content marketing strategy because keywords and keyword phrases optimize your content to be found by the proper target market in the search engines. That is the power of SEO. In this video, I will focus on SEO tips for blogging in 2019, plus what SEO entails, and SEO content and audience research tools. Okay, so that's the summary for part 1 of SEO, search engine optimization. So Down here is my keywords. So I'm optimizing this video so that it can be found in the search engines, okay? And what you have to do is when you are picking your keywords and keyword phrases as you would in blog, and you do the same on YouTube, you use the words that are, and keywords and keyword phrases in your title and in this description as your tags. Okay, so this little box right here is the tags where you put your keywords and phrases. So as you see here, I have SEO, so that's one of my tags. Search engine optimization, that's another phrase word in my description. SEO tips 2019. So in here I put SEO tips, as you can see, and here's 2019 SEO tips for website, SEO tips for blogger, because this is about SEO tips for blogging. Okay. The power of SEO, as you see here in my title, and it's also in my description. The power of SEO blogging. Okay, so the power of SEO and blogging, as you see, those keywords and phrases are in my title and they are in the description. Okay, and then I put the name of my brand, which you always want to put that, the name of my channel, which is Virtu Works for You Mompreneur, and my brand Virtu Works for You. And then I put in my target audience, which is stay-at-home moms and women entrepreneurs. Then I put my name. I also put content marketing strategy tips, because I included that within the description, and content marketing. Okay, so you have to make sure that the tags, which are the keywords and the keyword phrases, are the words that are within your description in this box right here and in your title. Okay. And there's a tool that I use, and I'm on the basic level right now. I've got off the I think they call it the intermediate package, but I downgraded. But I'm gonna upgrade. There's this tool called TubeBuddy. And you install it in your browser, and it's a tool that help you use the right keywords for your videos. And as you can see here, search engine optimization, that was one of the recommended tags for this video, and I included that in the tags. And blog SEO, that's another recommended tag. I can put that in there. I haven't, but I don't want to. I have a tag similar to that up there, and SEO tips. So I put that in there too, but I put it as SEO tips for websites and SEO tips for bloggers. Okay. And another way that you can search for tags if you don't want to use this tool, which is TubeBuddy, and I will put some commentary about that tool on those worksheets I was talking about. So I'm going to open up another tab here and go to YouTube and show you what I'm talking about. Okay. Now, if you all are on watching, I'm not able to see who's on, so I will shout you out after the video is over, because I don't have my phone with me, so I can't look and see, but I will acknowledge you. So let me know if you are watching in the comments. Okay, so one way you can find the right keywords to use. So let's say that you are in the beauty industry and you, or makeup, and you create a video about makeup tips, beauty tips. For example, you can key in the search bar so as you can see, beauty and makeup hacks, beauty and makeup hacks for beginners, beauty and makeup fails, beauty and makeup tips, beauty and makeup channel, beauty and makeup tutorials, beauty and makeup studio. You know, all this comes up. So using YouTube search bar to find the correct tags to use, which are your keywords and keyword phrases, is a good way to find the targeted keywords and phrases that you need to use. And you can also create your own specific keywords and keyword phrases. For example, you can use beauty and makeup hacks for moms, or beauty and makeup hacks for busy women, or beauty and makeup hacks for busy working women, or beauty and makeup hacks for busy working moms. You know, you can create a tag like that. You can also create a tag of your own. It says if your target audience is moms, again, beauty and makeup tips. As you can see it, beauty and makeup tips for moms, beauty and makeup tips for the very busy mom, or the very busy stay-at-home mom. Okay, beauty and makeup tutorials for the busy mom. So you know, you can like just create your own specific tags, as I have shown you I've done within the description and the tags for my videos, because the power of SEO is a tag that I made up, which is the title of this video. So you can use the tags that you find in the search bar according to your niche, and also make up your specific phrases. Okay, broad keywords like beauty and makeup, then you use those specific keyword phrases like beauty and makeup tips for busy moms. Okay, so that's pretty much it for SEO, search engine optimization, part 2, YouTube. If you all have any questions, let me know, drop them below. And once again, be sure to click that link in the description to join the list to get access to these videos so that you can watch them one last time before they go in the vault, and to get access to the accompanying worksheets. Okay, so you ladies have a great night, and I will see you soon. Bye.